With number 2, Balatukan. Another Balatukan, number 25 of 10. Good rebound. Here comes Abilo. Abilo to Espinosa. Espinosa. Pace. Pipos. Attack. Digger. Rebound by Alvarez. Alvarez to the Balatukan. Headshot. Kalikan. Pinatuat na yun. Bilong on the center, rebound number 16, Alvarez. Once pass to Alvarez, Alvarez to Pio. Pio back pass to Alvarez from the center. And they get rebound. Almuzara. Almuzara to Balatukan, number 25.
Palapasan niya natin pulang.
Marceliana with a basketball to Espinosa, number 18, back pass to Marceliana. Marceliana on the attack, lose the ball. There is a foul. Now play, ball jersey number 1, Pino. Third personal foul, Pino. Pick up pass, Pino. Pick up pass to Marceliana. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nabatete. Back pass to Espinosa, down to 5 seconds. Rebound taken by number 25, Balatukan. Pass to another Balatukan. Balatukan with the ball. Balatukan, high pass to number 6, Alvarez. 34-25. There's number 14, Abino to Espinosa. Espinosa on the basketball. Pass to Marceliana. Marceliana with the crossover. Marceliana back. Recover the ball by Balatukan, number 2. Balatukan in the way. Balatukan, there's a pass to another Balatukan, number 25. They're good. Rebound taken by number 6, Alvarez. Alvarez to Bigo. Bigo, back pass. Number 6, Alvarez. He puts it up there. 34-27, down to 7-point lead para sa Team Espinol. Espinosa. Making the ball from the midfield lane. Espinosa. To Nabatete. A subdivision. Nabatete moves out. Quintana coming in. 5 minutes and 33 seconds. There's Abidong, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pick up pass, down to 5 seconds on the shot clock. Pass it up to the dyan. Rebound, taken by number 18, Espinosa to Quintana. There's 2 points by Quintana. 36-27. Balatukan to Alvarez. Back pass to Balatukan. Balatukan again, rebound. Taken by Quintana. Quintana lose the ball. It's a deep ball. Because Espinosa to number 8. He was back by Almuzara. Apilo for the rebound and there's a foul. Foul jersey number 25. Balatukan. Second personal foul, Balatukan. 36-27. 37-27. Second throw by Abilo. Out of 2 by Abilo. Balatukan number 2. High pass. We go with the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pijo. Intercepted. Down to 5 seconds. Balatukan negative. And for the rebound, Marceliana reads for pass number 18, Espinosa. Espinosa to Abilo. Abilo will recover the ball. A timeout. Team discussion. Score 38-27. Rebound pass to Balatukan. Balatukan number 2. Guarded by Marceliana. Capiles to Alvarez. Back pass to Capiles. Capiles. Pull up Jake again. I pull up his father. Number 1, Marceliana to Hipos. Against Balatukan. With jersey number 2. Balatukan on the basketball. Balatukan. That's a pass. Intercept. Take over the ball by Alvarez. Alvarez to Capiles. Capiles, they good. Rebounding it by number 16, Alvarez. Alvarez on the drives. Gets the 2 points by number 16, Alvarez. Marceliana to Espinosa. Espinosa number 18 to Quintana. Crosscourt pass to Hipos. Hipos from the outside. Again to rebound put by Avilo. Number 16, Capiles. Agustin by number 18. Block pass to Quintana. Intercepted by Alvarez. Agustin by number 8, Hipos. Hipos block pass to Espinosa. Espinosa and the pass to Quintana. Again, Alcosara for the rebound. Alcosara to Capiles. Capiles to another Capiles, number 16. Capiles on the drive. Pick up pass to another Capiles. There's a pass to number 16. Capiles power moves. He puts it up in there. 38-31. Down to 7-point lead. Para sa Team Esquinol. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Remaining time for the third quarter. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pilong, good, Quintana, good clock. There's a whistle foul calling jersey number 16. Substitution, Espinosa moves out. Pilong moves out. Metra and Espinosa coming in. The first row basket jumpers get ready. For the second row by Quintana. Second row again. Rebound by Capiles. Capiles to Capiles. Being harassed by Marceliana. Capiles up another 2 points. 39-33. Returns Espinosa number 22 to Hipos. Hipos attempt in and out. Rebound by Capiles. Capiles to another Capiles. Palestine by Marceliana as a pass. There's a foul. Then jersey number 16. Second personal foul. Alcosara. Substitution. Alcosara moves out. Makoto coming in. With 2 shots awarded by number 1. Netra, number 11. The first row now with jumpers get ready for the second row by Netra. Banatukan, Kumakoro. That pass to Banatukan number 2. Banatukan, pick up pass. Number 16, attack the defense. He puts it up his right goal. Rebounding it by Quintana. Quintana on the basketball, jersey number 2. Quintana to Marceliana. Marceliana to Hipos. Hipos from the outside. 3 points. Hipos. 43-33. 10-point lead para sa Team Esquinoy. Banatukan to Makoro. 45 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Banatukan. Alvarez. High for the rebound. Alvarez off the right shot. Makoro pick up pass. Capiles attempt. They're good. The rebound again by Capiles number 16. They're good again. That's a rebound by Marceliana. Block pass number 22. Espinosa Medores. They're good. Hipos for the rebound. They're good again. Alvarez 20 seconds. Seconds, Capides. Mabiling violation. Save for Tati. 15 seconds. Ventana. Number 7, Evan. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And of the third quarter is score 43-35, 8-point lead para sa Team Tiskinoy.